Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.005869. 24-hour volume, we're down 49%, and market cap, we're up 3.2927%. So heading over to our immediate short term for 4 hours, the current price right now, if we take a look, is exceeding or retesting an area of resistance at the 5935. We still have some price to give. We do see on the stock RSI here, our K line is well above our overbought signal at 80%. However, it did not trigger a sell opportunity here where we see the K line dipping below our D line itself. So I still have some faith that the price is going to come up and at least touch the 5935. We do see some areas of resistance in, historical data of the price here. If we take a look on February 1st, a few areas here on March 2nd, and then failed to retest it here on March 13th to March 14th. So we are going to see that overbought signal and then see that signal here to sell on our stock RSI in the next couple of hours or so. Where we do see, or where I do see the price coming down to an area of support is our volume profile. So we can see this node here that does stick out roughly lower than the 61%. And already we can see some of our candlesticks coming down to that area. Most importantly, earlier on Sunday, so just yesterday, that we saw some of these price nodes come down to this area of support. If we do, excuse me, if we do come down to this area of support here, we are ultimately breaking this trend line itself. And if we do continue to come down to that 50%, this uptrend is ultimately going to be broken. So this is kind of what I want to play out for Jasmy, is coming down and retesting this area of support here that we've seen back on Sunday, coming into that volume of that supply and demand. And then if we do see a sudden surge of our MACD indicator, I'm sorry, I don't have the MACD indicator here, but if we do have the MACD indicator and if we do see another wave of the green histogram of that momentum down here of this area of support, then we are going to come up to our next target here. So this is kind of, in the next couple of days, what I am going to be predicting is that we do break through that 78% of our fib at the 5935. Again, that retested area that we saw as a resistance back in that April actually February too, February, March, and then April, and then coming up to this next area of resistance. We can already see here the next area of resistance that we're looking at is the 6376. So that's kind of what I'm taking a look at in the next couple of hours. It is going to take a couple of days for us to see if it is going to retest this area. I'm hoping that we do hold onto a very short correction opposed to a very, very steep correction. Again, if we do break this area of support at the 5494, ultimately it is going to be a very steep correction itself. And if that is a very steep correction, unfortunately, it is going to break this uptrend, and our goal to come up to the 6376 may take longer or may not even see that. Yeah, so that's my video for Jasmy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My voice is cracking, so I do apologize for that, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.